Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an FAQ section in Framer. We'll start from a fresh browser window. In the search bar, type Framer and open the official result titled Framer. Create a professional website, free. This brings you to Framer's homepage where you can access tools, templates, and community-made resources. From the top navigation, open the Resources menu and choose Marketplace. The Marketplace is where you'll find ready-made building blocks you can drop into your site without writing code. Once you're in the Marketplace, switch to the Components section. Components are reusable pieces like buttons, sliders, and, in our case, FAQ sections with built-in interactions. Use the search field at the top and type FAQ. This filters the results to components designed for frequently asked questions, often using accordion-style toggles that expand and collapse answers. Next, narrow the results by price so you can try things out at no cost. Open the pricing filter and select Free. You'll now see free FAQ components you can use immediately. Browse the options and pick a sample FAQ that matches the look and functionality you want. Click into the Components page to review a quick description, preview the interaction, and confirm it's suitable for your layout. On the Component page, click Copy Component. Framer prepares the element so you can place it directly into your project. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that. Then return to the component and copy it again if needed. Now switch to your Framer project with the canvas open. Paste the component using Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac, or right-click and choose Paste. The FAQ block will appear on your canvas, ready to position and style. Drag it into place where you want your questions to live and adjust its width so it fits your page grid. At this point, you can refine the content. Replace placeholder questions with common inquiries your visitors have and keep each question short so it's easy to scan. Edit the answers for clarity and tone and check that links, if any, open correctly. In the right sidebar or layer panel, you can tweak spacing, typography, and colors to match your brand. Test the interactions in preview to ensure each item expands and collapses smoothly, and confirm keyboard navigation and focus states work as expected for accessibility. That's it. You searched for Framer, navigated to the Marketplace, filtered for free FAQ components, copied one you liked, and pasted it into your project. With a few content edits and style tweaks, you'll have a polished, easy-to-maintain FAQ section live on your site.